everybody. Today I'm gonna be showing y'all how to do a top knot bun. So I'm gonna just show y'all the products that y'all need and we're gonna get started. So first you wanna have a spray bottle with some water in it. You need some gel. I usually use Eco Styler gel, but I don't have any more, so right now I'm using Gorilla Knot and the punk one because that's the strongest hold. You wanna have some sleeking brushes. Then you're gonna need a comb. And then you will need an edge brush, a hair tie or scrunchie, and some bobby pins. So yeah, let's get started. Okay, yeah, so what you're gonna do first is take your comb and you just wanna like comb your hair to the top of your head. And like really, I don't comb my hair all the way through because like I want my little curls and stuff to be in my bun. So, yeah, so we just gonna comb it to the top of our heads, like so. And I usually gather on my hair, like this. And you could put your ponytail as high as you want it to be, like if you want your bun to be that high. If you want to be like that, just put your ponytail wherever you want your bun to sit. Then you're gonna take your scrunchie or hair tie, ponytail holder, and you're just gonna wrap it. That way you can put your products on it. So then you wanna take your water and spray your hair. So then y'all, I usually use Eco Styler gel, which I'm gonna post a picture right here if y'all don't know what that is. But I don't have any more, so I'm gonna be using Gorilla Knot. It works just the same. And I'm using a pump because this one has the number 10 hold. And I just take that. And then you're gonna put it around the perimeter of your head. And your Gorilla Knot is really sticky. But yeah. So you're just gonna put it around the perimeter of your head. And then you're gonna take your brush, whatever brush you prefer. I have this type of brush, I have this brush, whatever brush y'all prefer to sleek your hair. So y'all want a sleeking brush. If y'all wonder why I'm looking over here, I have a mirror right there too, so. Bam. You just wanna sleek your hair up to that ponytail. Then you're gonna take it out. You're gonna hold it in that position that you want. And then keep going. And then if y'all want it to look like real messy and stuff, this little tip that I do, I take a comb, and what you want to do is you want to tease your hair. I usually tease it in the middle and the back, and that way it'll be like bigger and not the front, because the front is the part that you're gonna wrap. So you just want to tease your hair. Like that, and then this will be a cute bun just like this, like to the end, boom. But we're going for a top knot, so what you want to do is take the front piece of your hair, and all you do is wrap it like really tight. Yeah, so you take the front piece of your hair right there, wrap it around really tight, and that's gonna form the type of bun that you want. Because you're wrapping it, then it's gonna look like this. Then you just want to take a bobby pin and stick it in the end. Take that and then stick it at the end of the other piece, and bam. And what I like to do is I add like a little bit of water to my fingers, so, and I take like little pieces on the end and I like twirl it around my finger. That way it could be curly. And then we come to our edges, so you take an edge brush and you want to brush out your edges. Then we're going to take our gorilla knot. So bam, here's your bun. And it looks cute, you know, you got your little curly pieces. Your edges are done, period. It's cute, you're looking cute, boo. Thank y'all for watching. Comment down below if y'all want to see like how to spice up your buns, or if y'all want an edge tutorial. Comment down below if y'all want that. So thank y'all for watching. I hope y'all enjoyed. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and press that bell while you at it. And comment down below videos that y'all would like to see from me. Have a great night, evening, or afternoon, or morning.